So if you just watched my last video, you might have been thinking, oh girl, a whole Vaporeon look, this I need to see. Well, if that's the case, you're in the right place. This is the full fit. So here you go, my darlings. This is the full fit. What do we think? I have been wanting to do a Vaporeon look for so long. And I'm so happy that I finally get the chance to do this. Take a little look. It's cute. It's casual-ish. I mean, I know that the bow is a little bit much. I know that the pigtails are a little bit much. I know that there's a lot of blue going on, but you know, you can tone it down if you want to. I just didn't want to. But anyway, let me walk you through my entire outfit. So on my head, we have got two bows. The yellow bow is one that I made. This is my bling bow. And the beautiful Vaporeon bow in the middle, this is made by the lovely Pixelate Design on Instagram. She's fabulous. She makes all of the evolutions as bows. She also does them as little bubble tea pins. She does them as stickers. The girl's obsessed, okay? She loves her Pokemon and she makes such adorable bows, and I just had to snap up the Vaporeon one, and I will get the rest of them when I get some time. The wig is from Amazon. You know, I love me some Amazon. So the wig is from there. I actually got it today. And yeah, it came super quick because like I bought it last night and it came today. And like I was searching everywhere for like the right Vaporeon color, and this for me was just the closest. I know I have this one here. Wait, where is it? This one here. But because of the pink in it as well, I didn't want to bring pink into this. I wanted it to just be blue, yellow, white, and black. And I have this blue here as well, but you can see in comparison, this is more of a sort of periwinkle blue, and this is definitely more of a sort of turquoise. So I had to go with this. And I just love how fun that these pigtails are. Like, they're not my usual sort of streamlined or nicely curled ones. They're just a lot more fun, you know. It's a lot more kind of anime style, and I just love that. So really happy about that. Earrings, very simple, just very bog standard. Silver hoops, not silver, gold hoops from Claire's Accessories. I haven't got a necklace because I don't have anything that goes with this. Like, I don't have a like Vaporeon necklace, and I'm actually quite upset about that. Like, I think I need to like, so I've got hair in my eye. Get out of my eye. Right, there we go. Okay, so crisis averted. What was I saying? Oh no. What was I talking about? I was talking about, oh my God, what was I talking about? The hair. Oh yeah, necklace, that's it. Gosh, I completely forgot. Right, so yeah, I didn't have anything to go with my necklace. I didn't have any necklaces to go with what I was wearing. I don't have anything that's, you know, Vaporeon themed as a necklace. I need to sort that out. I really, really do. But if you wanted to wear a necklace, you could probably, you know, put on something that was like blue and white or something like that. I just didn't have anything to hand, and I didn't have time to make one. So sorry about it. I do, however, have a lovely ring that I made ages ago. I made this gorgeous dice ring in the theme of Vaporeon. And you might have seen my whole Pokemon Evolutions dice set that I made. So yeah, so this was when I was just practicing and I wanted to make a little ring out of it. I actually did this on a live stream, and yeah, it came out really, really nice, and I'm really proud of it. It was like my first time trying it out, but I just felt that it went really well with this outfit. My t-shirt, which I absolutely love, is from EMP. I searched high and low for a Vaporeon t-shirt, and a lot of them were really messy. A lot of them just looked like they'd just been really badly thrown together, and I didn't like them. There were some that had like fan art of Vaporeon, but I wanted something that looked a lot more original, and so I went with this one. What I love about this is not only the actual print on the front, I love the detail in the back. I'll just turn around for you. So I really love just how the back kind of like crisscrosses there. I really love that. I also love the Pokeball on one side, and I love that it's got number 134 on the other side. I have a habit of loving really sporty looking things, even though I am not sporty in the slightest. So yeah, I'm happy about that. My skirt is from, gosh, I can't remember now. I think my skirt might be from I Saw It First. I think it's from I Saw It First. Just a very simple black stretchy denim skirt. We love a bit of stretchy denim. My tights, I'm actually wearing 2 pairs of tights. I have a habit of wearing 2 pairs of tights, don't I? You can probably guess that my tights are from Snag. Girl, I love me some Snag tights, okay? But I'm actually wearing 2. I'm wearing Mermaid, which is the blue color, and I am wearing, I think it's called White Russian, which is the white fishnets on the top. And I did that because I wanted a kind of more textured look to my legs. Because Vaporeon is, you know, a water Pokemon, I'm thinking water, mermaid. She's got a very mermaidy looking tail. Fishnets remind me of scales, mermaid scales, netting, that sort of thing, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to go for a more sort of textured look. So I went for the White Russian on top, and I really like how it looks. It looks really, really cool. The mermaid tights are a 50 denier, and because I do have other blue tights, which you have seen before, my Queen Vic tights, they're an 80 denier. And so they're a lot more opaque. The 50 denier ones are slightly more translucent. And yeah, I really love the effect. On my feet, I have got the boots that I wear to death. I wear these pretty much every day. These are my go-to boots. They are from Koi Footwear, and I also got the bat wings from Koi Footwear as well. And what I love about this is that even though, you know, this isn't supposed to be a kind of like gothic style outfit, which is what I would usually put bat wings on for. In fact, when I first got these boots, I put the bat wings on and I've never taken them off. I've always worn them with the bat wings, despite the fact that I hate bats with an absolute passion, but I love the aesthetic. But anyway, what I really like is the little detail of the wings matching the ears, Vaporeon's ears. They kind of do that sort of, they have the same kind of look, you know. And yeah, I just really like that. I think that it's a really cool little nod to her, even though it's bat ears. It's the same with my bow as well. Like, the yellow in the bow and the way that it's kind of scalloped, it really reminded me of her ears. So yeah, that's why I decided to go for the yellow bow. And as for my cane, you've already met Claudia. I finally stuck the clouds on properly now. But yes, she is my gorgeous blue cane, and I actually got her specifically for A, my cloud lookbook, which is coming. I promise it's coming. And B, for this look. Because I knew I wanted to do a Vaporeon look, but I needed to have a blue cane. I think I have a problem. I think that I'm going to be like, you know, collecting canes, because I've actually grown to enjoy matching them to my outfits. It makes me feel more comfortable to use them outdoors. So yeah, bring it on. So there you have it, my darlings. I really hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I loved making it. Vaporeon is my all-time favorite Pokemon. I love her to bits and pieces. She's adorable. And I really hope that you managed to actually learn something from this video as well. You know, a little something about putting things together, different colors, how they merge together, etc, etc. Yeah, let me know in the comment section, A, who your favorite Pokemon is, B, if you would rock this outfit, and C, if not, what would you change about it? I would love to know all of those views. If it's your first time here and you are loving the vibe, then make sure that you just subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.